Hi everyone, Vanakkam, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another easy recipe for you, lemon chicken. Cooks in no time, easy as, and with very few ingredients, you will have a cracker of a recipe. Let's get started. So for this recipe, I have 700 grams of chicken. Basically, I took a whole chicken. I excluded the ribs, wings, and drumsticks. So I'm just using the breast and the thigh pieces of the whole chicken with bones. If you go for boneless chicken, your cooking time will actually reduce, and that would make it even more easier. So if you want to use boneless chicken, go for it. I don't mind the 5-minute extra cooking time. So to make this dish quick and easy, I've cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Cut it whichever way you want to, but this will make it more quick. Also, we need juice of half a lemon, half tablespoon ginger, and half tablespoon garlic. And I have 4 green chilies, and also for color, I'm using 2 red chilies, fresh red chilies. Because this is lemon and it's a big size, so I'm using juice of half lemon. If you're using lime, go for the juice of 1 lime. Let's marinate the chicken first. I'm using fresh ingredients, so I'm using finely grated garlic. If you want to use ginger garlic paste, you can do that. I just feel like that this way it becomes very flavorful and fresh. So I've used 3 garlic cloves, which is around half a tablespoon of garlic. I have a small piece of ginger here, which is also half tablespoon of ginger. So this is a finely grated ginger and garlic. Let's add this to the chicken. Freshly cracked black pepper, salt, 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Mix this well and marinate it for 20 to 30 minutes. Green chilies, we don't have to do much, just slit them into half. Just slicing through the middle. That's a nice juicy lemon. Our prep for the lemon chicken is done. Let's get to the cooking. Heat a wide wok or a pan on medium flame. Add around 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I like making this dish in olive oil. You can use whatever oil you like. Oil is now hot. Let's add in our marinated chicken. So at this point, we'll turn the heat to high and keep stirring it. So cook the chicken on high for 5 minutes. It's chicken, it will cook fast, so keep moving it around. So our chicken has been cooking for 5 minutes on high flame. Now we turn the flame to low and see how the chicken has started to lose its moisture. We will now cover and cook for another 10 minutes. And make sure to keep stirring in between. So guys, it's been 10 minutes. Let's check the chicken. So the moisture is almost dried out. Let's give this a mix. Just scrape out all the sides. That's flavor. So chicken is cooked through. It's been cooking for 15 minutes now. Let's add our lemon juice, and we add it towards the end. Let's add in our green chilies and give it all a good mix. That's it, we turn our flame off. Our lemon chicken is ready. We're not going to cook the green chilies. We need a bite, we need the freshness and the color. All done, let's serve this. This is probably the most easiest recipe on my channel. I hope you really like this recipe of lemon chicken and make it for your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and please like and share. Thank you for your time. I'll be back with another new recipe. Bye-bye.